In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another set of DIYs. So today I'm going to be DIYing and semi-DIYing some kid birthday party decorations and apparel. These are some great ways to personalize a birthday really for any age. So if you want to see how I made these, and then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So first up, I'm going to be creating this cute graphic album cover birthday t-shirt. And so I'm starting off by measuring the front of the shirt and where I want the print to be. And then I'm going to be using Canva to actually design the image and upload the image that I want to use. And so here I'm doing a search of album covers to see which image I want to use. So I picked one of my daughter's images that I want to use, and I'm just going to replace the Canva image with her picture, and then I'm just going to make some additional adjustments to make it more personalized. Then I uploaded the image to Cricut Design Space, and so here I am just selecting the print to cut option, and then I also had to play with it a little bit afterwards because the image was too large, so I had to make some adjustments there as well. And so far I've been finding myself making these personalized t-shirts every year, and I like to incorporate these either during the birthday week if I'm not able to have her wear it on her actual day. And I'm using printable iron-on dark transfer paper, and I'm getting that printed with the printer, and then from there I'm going to use the Cricut to cut it. After it gets cut, then iron on the image to the t-shirt. And for the next piece of party decor, I printed on an image directly onto some paper treat bags. And this was for a double birthday for my daughter's third birthday. And I went back and forth between two different images that I created on Canva. And then from Canva, I directly printed on the bags using a printer. And so printing the bags took a little bit of trial and error, and I found the easiest way to do it was to tape the front of the bag to a piece of printer paper, and I had to do them one by one so that the printer wouldn't get jammed. And I decided to use my mom's printer because her printer prints directly down versus my printer. Pages have to go through the printer. And so after a few attempts, I was able to successfully figure out how to get it centered so that I could just print a whole bunch of different bags. And this is how the two different styles of bags turned out. And so next up are these semi DIY tree boxes with a Ghost Spider and Friends theme that I got from Amazon. And so I'm going to be using my Cricut to add some customization to the boxes. I'm starting the process for the treat box personalization in Cricut Design Space, and I'm just adding a circle 3 times to the template and welding those together, and then I'm duplicating it for each of the boxes that I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to make it and send that to the Cricut machine and cut it using some glitter cardstock. And I'm going to use a different font and duplicate that for all of the different boxes as well. And that's going to go on top of those welded circles that I made. And I'm going to cut the name font using some holographic cardstock. And I'm going to also include the age that she's turning on the box as well. And I'm going to use the glitter cardstock that I'm using for the part of the name as the background for the 4. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to do another set of 4s that are a little bit smaller and print those or cut those with the holographic cardstock. So after I got all of my pieces cut out using the Cricut, then I'm just going to start to stack and adhere everything. I was going to initially use the glue dots because I wanted to have like a 3D pop effect for the boxes, but I decided to use this alien tape because it had a better stickiness to it. So I'm just going to add some of the alien tape behind the name and then adhere that to the circles that I use for the cardstock. This alien tape does a really good job of sticking the pieces together, so I don't have to put tape on the entire piece. So I'm just putting it in the corners of the number and then parts of the letters of the name. And then after they're assembled, then I'm going to add some more tape to adhere it to the box. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.